everyone, welcome back. Today we learn how to make a car. Now this car has been requested by many of my sweet subscribers. One of them is Shrut and Tarush. So both of you, it's on your request. So we will be making a car. Now to make a car, what we'll do is we'll take the sheet, and on that sheet we will make a big car. So for that, what I am doing is we will make a semicircle. I'll make a semicircle. Okay, so we'll be making a semicircle and we'll leave it a little. Then we'll make a slanting line and we'll leave it like this. Now here I'll make a light. Okay, now this is the basic shape of the car: a semicircle, then a slant, and then a line. Okay, now what I will do is I will make the back side of the car, and I have to make a wheel. So for a wheel, what you can do is you can take any circular object. Okay, we can take any circular object for the wheel. So you can keep that, and you can make two wheels. Now you have to make sure both the wheels should be on a same size. So what we will do is we will make a simple line with the pencil which we can rub later, so that the size of the wheels are same. So here I will make one more wheel. You can always take a circular object for that. And I am making one more wheel circle inside it. Okay, and we will rub these two lines. These were just for our reference. Okay, now what we will do is we will be making a line like this, and here again we will be making like this. We will give a light over here, so for which I have already made this. So I'll make a light over here. It should be a yellow light actually, but I have already done that. Now what we will do is I am making a front mirror. So there will be a small front mirror. Then I will be making a windows. One more. Now this line has to be the parallel to this line. Again a curvy line we'll make, and then we'll join it. Now the back mirror also we'll show. Now for the back mirror, what we'll do is we'll make two lines. This is a smaller one, this is a little bigger one, and then we'll join them. Okay, and on the wheels there is this kind of a okay. So my car is ready, but is there somebody inside it? Yes. Let's make a okay. Before that, what we'll do is we'll make the road first. I'm making a line. We'll continue this line on this side. So this will be our road, and a little greenery on the other side. So from the window pane we can see that greenery. That's why we have made it. Okay. Okay, now I can make somebody sitting inside the car. Okay, now what I will do is I will make a person sitting inside it. So what I'll do, I'll make a face. I have done this mistake. I don't want you to do it. What you will do it when you will make it, I just want you to, I'll just make the hairs. So when you are doing this work, what you do is you just make it with pencil. so that at any point if we have done any mistake you can always rub it. Okay, now okay, so somebody is sitting inside the car. Okay, and we'll make a point here and we'll make it a here. Now my car is ready and we will learn how to color it. Now I am making a red color car, so for which I need a red color. I'll be coloring it with a red color. Do the colors in one direction, that is very important. And the color should not move out, that is also very important. So do it very patiently and don't be in a hurry to finish it. You can choose any color of your choice while coloring. So let's color this beautifully. I hope you all enjoyed making it with me. Do share your pictures with me, and if you have not subscribed the channel till now, please subscribe it and share it with your family and friends. Bye everyone, take care, stay happy and stay safe.